Welcome to DBMS Lab video lecture series. This is Sarita, Assistant Professor in CSE Department, Bhagdevi College of Engineering. In this lecture, we will discuss about the DDL commands. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. It is used to define the database schema. Database schema means the structure of the database. Means DDL is used to create the set of tables. In DDL, we have 5 commands: create, alter, drop, truncate and rename. The first command is create. It is used to create the database or a table. And the syntax for creating a database is create database, database name. Here we have an example: create database test. By executing this statement, the database with the name test will be created. Create command can also be used to create a table. Syntax is create table, table name, and within parentheses we have to declare the fields or attributes. Here we have an example. We have created student table. In student table we have 3 attributes: student ID, name and age. Here student ID and age are of type integers, means it allows integers, and the name is of type character array, means it allows set of characters. These are the most commonly used data types in SQL: int, float, double, number, char, varchar and date. Int allows only integers, float allows real values, double allows real values of long length, and the number allows numeric data, means it allows both integers as well as real numbers. Char allows set of characters. Varchar allows alphanumeric data. That means it can be a combination of both alphabets as well as digits. For example, your roll number and PAN number. And the difference between char and varchar is the size of the character array is fixed at the time of compilation. That means if the size is specified as 20, we cannot use more than 20 characters. And even though if we use 4 characters, the remaining portion of the memory will be wasted. But in case of the varchar stands for variable length character array. That means the size varies. Even though if the size is specified as 20, we can use more than 20 characters. And if we use only 4 characters, for example, if we store Ravi in name, which is of type varchar, Ravi takes 4 bytes. So the remaining portion of the memory can be used to store the other values. And the date allows values in the form of date. For example, it is used to declare the variables like date of birth and date of join. The second command is alter command. It is used to alter the table. Altering the table is nothing but adding or deleting the columns to already existing table, or to changing the name of a particular column, or changing the data type or the size of a particular attribute. The first option is alter with add. It is used to add a column to already existing table. See, here we have syntax: alter table, table name, add, and within parentheses we have to declare the attribute that is to be added to the table. Here we have an example. We are adding address attribute to the student table by using the alter with add option. Second option is alter with drop. It is used to drop a column from the table. Syntax is alter table, table name, drop, and within parentheses we have to specify the name of the column that is to be deleted from the table. And here we are deleting the address column from the student table by using the alter with drop option. And the third option is alter with modify. It is used to change the data type or the size of a particular column. And here in this example we are changing the size of name to 25. Previously the size was 20. Now we are changing the size to 25 by using the alter with modify. Last option is alter with rename. It is used to change the name of a column. And the syntax is alter table, table name, rename old column name to new column name. And by using the alter with rename option, we are changing the name of a column, address to location in the student table. Next command in DDL is truncate. It is used to delete the rows from the table. And the syntax is truncate table name, table name. Drop. It is used to delete the entire table permanently from the database. And the difference between drop and truncate is truncate deletes only the records from the table. But in that case, the table structure remains in the database. But in case of the drop, entire table will be deleted from the database. Syntax is drop table name. Last command in DDL is rename. It is used to rename a table. And the syntax is rename table, old table name to new table name. And by using rename, we are changing the name of the table student to student info. Rename table student to student info. We are changing the name of student to student info. Now we will see the execution of the DDL commands in SQL command prompt. First we have to connect our machine with the database server by using this statement conn space system slash SQL123. This means conn is used to connect with the database server and system is the username and SQL123 is my password. So that we can connect with the database server. And then I have created one table student new. In student table I have declared 3 attributes: roll number, name and average. Roll number is of type varchar, means it allows alphanumeric data, means it allows both alphabets as well as digits. And the name is of type character array, means it allows set of characters. And the average is of type number, means it allows integers as well as real numbers. And here the size consisting of two numbers 5, 2. That means 5 represents total number of the digits in the value and the 2 represents number of the digits after decimal point. This means we can have 2 digits after decimal point and 3 digits before decimal point. Now the table is created and we can describe the table by using describe. Describe command des space table name. And now we need to add a column to the student new table by using the alter with add. We are adding city column to the table student new. And this is the description after adding a column city. And next we will delete the city column from the table by using the alter with drop. Syntax is alter table name here is student new, and we are deleting the column city from the table student new. And the column is deleted, and this is the description after deleting the column. And next, alter with modify is used to change the data type or the size of a particular column. Here by using the alter with modify, I am changing the size. Previously the size of name was 20 and now I am changing the size to 25 by using the alter with modify. Here the size changes to 25. And next command is truncate. But here we cannot use truncate because till now there are no records in the student new table. So I am not using that truncate table. And next command is drop. Drop is used to delete the table permanently from the database. So here we are dropping student new table dropped. And that we can see by using the describe command. Here by executing these statements, it is showing the error. That means the table is deleted. So this is about the DDL commands. In the next class we will discuss about the DML commands. Thank you.